In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Robinhood debit card, which gives you access to your funds and earnings seamlessly. Although I can't show you directly the process of how to get, I'll explain every step, so listen carefully because I cannot access this Robinhood because it only allows US resident. So first, make sure you have an account here in Robinhood. Now, when you log into your account, if you don't have an account yet, you can create one by providing the necessary personal information and verifying your identity. So, assumingly you are logged into the Robinhood app or website, so go to the menu and select Cash Management. Tap or click on Sign Up to start the process. And then after that, provide additional information if prompted, and then agree to the terms and conditions. So once you apply Robinhood, we'll review your application and then you'll receive a notifications once your cash management account is approved. After that, after approval, Robinhood will prompt you to select a debit card design. You can choose from the available styles, and then after that, you can confirm your choice and then provide your shipping address if prompted. And once your debit card arrives, you can now open the Robinhood account and then go to cash management again and tap activate card. And then enter the last four digits of the card or scan if it's supported. And you can now use your Robinhood debit card for purchases, ATM withdrawals, and more. And that's it. That's how to get a Robinhood debit card. I hope this video helped. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.